Did you always wanted to know how to draw a carnation? Hey, I'm gonna show you how to draw a carnation. Hi and welcome to my channel. My name is Teresa. I do arts and crafts. I will show you how to draw the simple drawing to more complex. So let me show you how we do that. Okay, first thing you're gonna do when you start drawing a carnation is just gonna make a round circles all the way around like this. Carnations, you have to decide which way the light's coming from. So I'm going to pretend the light is coming from this angle. So I'm going to do the darken the shade it. Carnation leaves are very thin, so it doesn't have to be very you can overlap it if you want. So that's how you draw thank you for watching my channel. And if you guys got value from my channel, please like and subscribe my channel, so you get my latest upload of my latest video. So check out my next video on how to draw a daisy, and I will see you guys on the next video.